So now I'm with Uwe Gaul, who's with the vertical management chemical industry with Siemens. Welcome, Uwe.
Thanks.
So remind us of the scope of the battery recycling activities for your part of Siemens.
Siemens is in the whole ecosystem
Yes.
established. So we see the battery recycling scenery as a growing part of the whole ecosystem.
Yeah.
Because starting to close the loop in the ecosystem, the recycling getting more and more important. Even if you see the whole regulation on the market, the Critical Raw Material Act, it is essential to have those recycling part, and that will grow the market in recycling. And there we come in. With Siemens, we are the enabler for the industry in the field of automation, digitalization, and electrification, besides the process itself, but also for the whole entirety of the building structure, infrastructure. So everything in the whole ecosystem comes as one hand.
Mm-hmm. And does Siemens have a specific approach to this market?
For sure, the three major bolts, electrification, automation, and digitalization, that's the focus, and there we provide solutions to get the plants to state of the art and transform the industry to the future, that its capability with the economic pressure on it, and that they can grow smoothly.
What developments have you noticed since the last ICBR when Siemens was also present?
So at the moment we have there the deep discharging unit. That's very impressive because it's modular. You can flexible integrate the channels so it can grow with Euro growth in the recycling world, for example.
Are you having interesting conversations at the moment in ICBR 2025?
We have had plenty conversations which were fruitful, and the ICBR is for us the fair and conference where we can talk to the ecosystem of battery recycling and get the latest information exchanges so that we can influence our standardization and also our portfolio to address it properly to the ecosystem of battery recycling.
So how confident are you that Siemens has its place in this ecosystem?
I'm quite sure we are a market leader globally in the automation and even in the electrification. And even here we see in the chats with the colleagues here of the ecosystem, Siemens sometimes is not unknown, but nobody knows that we have such a broad field and that we are working close together with all partners in the ecosystem, like OEMs, EPCs, owners, recyclers, and we can add value add to their production and to their necessities. And even in the process know-how, what we have in-house, that's fruitful and helpful to co-investigate new technology and to develop together solutions which are necessary for the future economy.
So I wish you lots more fruitful contacts at the rest of ICBR. Thank you very much, Uwe.
Thank you.